Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the graticule on your map on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the left side on the screen, and in the display options section you can find the graticule option, and just tap to the white square icon, and anew the graticule is displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.